So this bolt, well, I noticed by having a pretty heavy duty wrench helps. Couple I tried spinning the drum, tried doing this. At the end of the day, I just did a couple of quick moves like this, and I eventually loosened up the bolt. I thought, oh great, I'm all said and done. Ended up being even harder than that to remove the agitator, the wash plate. What I had to do is actually unscrew the bolt. I'd say like 3, 4, 5 revolutions, so you have a little gap there. Then you grab it with good pliers, and I tried to lift it up. It wouldn't go. So then what I did, I tapped on the bolt. So when you tap in the bolt, the whole transmission's going down. I don't have my hammer here, but anyway, I was tapping on it while pulling, and eventually it came up. I saw guys do all kinds of crazy things. I haven't seen this method. Nobody did that on any video, so yeah, I think this is the easiest way to remove the. So yeah, you just don't unscrew a lot so you don't damage the threads, but so you have enough gap. And then the agitator comes up pretty easy after that, once you get it broken loose. And next step was to remove the drive hub. So you're pulling this guy out. That wasn't the hardest part. I already took this apart a few times because I thought I had the wrong part. There's like all these substitute parts, and I was like, oh, it doesn't fit perfectly, it doesn't go all the way on. Eventually I ordered another one, like it looked identical, and they sent me again a substitute, and I was like, well, this must be the right one. And then I got another job exactly like this to do, and I went there and I was like, oh well, it looks identical. And again I got this part. I was like, I'm just gonna try it. So I put on the hub, and it doesn't slide all the way down. So I was like, well, I'm just gonna go by faith. Just gonna start putting it. Oh great. This is worse than I thought. I lost the screw in there. Anyway, yeah, the new one doesn't go on easy. What you need to do is, well, you need to put a new one on as far as you can, and then start putting the screws on, and that pulls it tight. You can actually, I already cleaned this up, but yeah, this looks usually a lot more gross, so I sprayed some water to get this off. Yep, should be